Assalamualaikum, I am Zahid Farooq and you are watching your channel Health and Safety Knowledge. We have covered in the last lecture violence related risk, and then we also discussed about the preventing measures on violence related risk. We studied two strategies and I am 100% sure that you are fully understandable about that risk related violence. Now our today topic is IG2 unit of NIBOSH IGC is safe movement of people in the workplace. Let's start today topic detail. Please, it is requested to see all the videos so that you may got the better understanding of IG2 unit because it is more considered difficult subject than IG1. And now let's start. Pedestrians are exposed to various hazards as they move around the workplace. These hazards can cause slip, trip, and fall from the height, collision with moving vehicles, striking by moving, flying objects, striking against fixed or stationary objects. Now, let's see what are the hazards on the workplaces. These hazards are very common at all workplaces. When people move around in the workplaces, they are exposed to a different range of hazards simply by being pedestrians. These hazards can be categorized by the type of accident that they cause. Detail of these categories along with some typical conditions and environments in which hazards might arise as follow. These are slip, trip and falls on the same level. Typical hazards are smooth floor surfaces that are inherently slippery, for example slippery floors, polished marbles, wet because of spills or cleaning operations, contamination of a floor with a slippery containment, for example oil or leaves, frost and ice, for example outside pavement in winter or the floor in the freezer. A person's footwear can make a big difference to how vulnerable they are to slipping on a floor. Now we discuss typical trip hazards. What are typical trip hazards? Trip hazards are those hazards that a person is walking on the floor and he didn't notice the thing that is laying on the floor and he just strike that thing and fell on the floor. These hazards are uneven or loose floor surfaces, for example broken tiles, poorly laid floor mat or trailing cables, for example flex of the vacuum cleaner, object on the floors, for example bag left on the floor. Note that people frequently trip over their own feet. When people slip or trip, they often, although not always, fall on the floor. Though fall on the same level do not always lead to serious injury, they may well lead to broken bones, especially in the hand, wrist or arm. Steps and stairs are places of particular concern because they are locations where slip, trip and fall on the same level. Accident can occur more frequently and the consequences of such accidents can be more serious. These all type of hazards are specific in nature and are commonly encountered at the workplaces, and it is estimated that about 87.67% accidents are occur of this type of nature at the workplaces and severe injuries are being happened. These type of incidents or accidents could be controlled by proper risk assessment process and in the seriousness of health and safety management personnel, so that these things can be controlled at all and a positive health and safety culture might be promoted at the workplaces. Now the people who are new on my channel are requested to subscribe my channel so that they may attain the daily updated videos for health and safety knowledge. Thank you so much.